Was the day before Friday, and all through the night. What the hell are you doing? Work had to get done with no parts in sight. No shocks and no metal to finish up the rear. The Suburban stood silent while I drank all the beer. Where the hell's all the beer at? I guess I will try to build something for fun. Subscribe and keep watching to see what I get done. That's it. Come here, you bastard! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What's up? I did not get much done this week on the Suburban. I'm not even sure if I got anything done this week on the Suburban because I ran out of metal. I ran out of 3/16 for the shock tabs, more or less for the cross member notch that I'm doing. So I had to run yesterday, get some 3/16. But since I didn't get anything worthwhile filming on this, I have a video from the summer that I shot and I never uploaded, but it's of a truck you might know. We're gonna transition into that, and next week we will have an update on the Suburban with shocks in and all that fancy stuff that I talked about before we're gonna get done. Until then, enjoy this footage and I'll catch you next week on that. See ya. What's up? Yep, you saw that right. I got a new project in. Not really a crazy project. Pretty much just more of a maintenance thing going on with this one. It's not like Suburban over here is getting a full bag job. This project's already done. As soon as I move out of the way, you'll be able to see it. So basically, this truck was bagged almost 20 years ago. Just like most mini trucks, needs some maintenance done to it. It has a couple stress cracks in it, so we're just gonna weld them up, take care of some places that are drug through in true mini truck fashion, and get it on its way to the next show. So without further ado, here is the truck.
I saw you dancing like